on, guys? My name is Drake Allen. I'm a sales associate here at Watermark Ford in Marion, Illinois. As you can tell, we're here on our pre-owned lot. Today I want to tell you a little bit about our 2019 Kia Stinger that we have here. We've got it priced to sell at $26,700 and it only has 10,000 miles on it. So it's got quite a bit of factory warranty, powertrain warranty left remained on it, and it also qualifies for our warranty forever. It covers your engine, transmission, and your drive shaft for the life of the vehicle. Couple features about this that you'll end up liking. Luxury features: it's got power leather heated seats. It's also got backup camera, which will allow you to take a look at when you're backing up, and it also has Bluetooth, which allows for hands-free communication. A little history on this vehicle and where it came from: it's a one-owner vehicle. It also has a clean auto check with no damage history, so you know exactly where it comes from and its history of what it's got with it, so it's clean. But wanted to take some time to tell you about our 19 Kia Stinger. Come on down here and take a look at it. Ask for me. I'm Drake Allen. I look forward to meeting you.